fully automatic paper bag with handle machines are dedicated to the production of twisted handle, flat handle, even punch handle paper bags with inline printing. It can produce variable sizes paper bag and paste paper handle inline with online printing without any manual process. The machine automatic paper feed from roll, printing, tube forming, cutoff, bottom forming, bottom glue, bag forming, and final bag output. It is an ideal equipment for producing variety of daily eco-friendly, multi-purpose paper handle bags. This machine is designed to the production of SOS paper bags with handles using latest servo control technology. It is an integrated system enabling to make printed bags with smallest sizes of bags, which are typically used as shopping bags, such as bags for jewelry, gifts, clothing stores, bags for wine, bags for perfumeries, fast food bags, and bags for many other products.